Hi, I'm Ray, the product manager of Advantech's TPC-B610 and Modular TPC series. TPC-B610 is the first fanless desktop performance touch panel PC with PCIe 16 cards supported, powered by Intel 10th generation CPU socket. The market has long been struggling to find an HMI solution that can deliver desktop performance with data image processing capabilities, whilst offering PCI expansion. TPC-B610 with fanless design is here to provide the answer. In this course, you will learn what TPC-B610 is, including how the innovative designs of its modular computing box works. We will also look at TPC-B610 specs, key features, user applications, and technical designs in detail. Please join us and sign up for this course. We look forward to seeing you at IoT Academy soon. Thank you.